There's such a spicy announcement today. What's Fabric, Greg?
Yeah,
What's
Paul, what's
Fabric?
Fabric? I heard you did a
Yeah,
blog post.
the new name for Power BI and everything else that's important.
Like our user group, this user group is being renamed to the Portland Fabric user group. This shows the bet Microsoft is putting on Fabric is the fact that they're taking their lead workhorse and turning it to Fabric. And what's cool is Power BI it feels like is what allowed this all to happen, right? This was the adoption and the engine that, after all these years, the final form was being able to bring all this together with Synapse and Delta and Power BI, Stream Analytics, all of that. And so what's exciting is over the months and year, I've been like, oh, how do we bring Synapse Analytics? Do we need to have a different user group? It feels very difficult around like Power Platform Suite. And how do you get Power BI and Synapse Analytics to have the same conversations? And now that has been solved with Fabric User Group. For our user group, the change of our scope has now increased. It's not just purely Power BI and data analytics. And I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to address that. For instance, do we do 2 meetups in a month? One maybe more data engineering and data science focused, one more Power BI focused. There will be changes to our user group as much as there's been changes to the platform. But I think it's exciting, this embrace of the Lakehouse architecture, the embrace of Delta within the Microsoft ecosystem. And I hear this is only the beginning. So let's see where this journey takes us.